started the process by planning a little bit and setting up what we wanted to do. And then we started cutting our board and drilling holes in cups and basically making preliminary preparations. We built a volcano out of paper mache and we cut up some old toys from when I was a little kid to make some ramps. We glued a bunch of bullets together to create weights and we found those to be very useful. We had many trials and then we primed the whole thing so it would paint over nicely. We painted it brown and gray, and then we started doing more detailed paintwork. And as you can see, it was kind of a one step forward, two steps back operation. My brother had to help us, and our 3 ramps turned into 2. And yes, many missed trials. But in the end, we got it all working. The first successful trial we got on tape was unfortunately very blurry, but this is it right here. Now let's have a look at a breakdown. The machine begins with a ball rolling down a ramp. This ball hits a lever which releases a truck to roll down another ramp. The truck simultaneously pulls out a prop from under a cup, pouring baking soda into a cup of vinegar. The truck also hits a platform attached to a wheel and axle, which pulls a weight off of a lever. The lever then drops down, completing a circuit which allows the motor to wind up a string and pull a prop out from underneath the weight. The weight is connected to a platform by a string, and when the platform is tugged, another weight drops off and spins around the pole, knocking over a block of wood with a nail attached, which pops the balloon. In step 1, a ball rolls down a ramp. This is an inclined plane which transfers gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. In step 2, the ball hits the lever. This is a collision which transfers momentum to lift the heavy weight restricting the truck. In step 3, the truck rolls down the ramp, which is an inclined plane which transfers gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. In step 4, the truck pulls the stick out from underneath the cup, which causes the baking soda to dump into the cup of vinegar, creating a chemical reaction. In step 5, the truck collides with the platform attached to a wheel and axle. This transfer of momentum spins the wheel, which pulls a string, removing a weight from the lever. In step 6, the lever drops, which is just a byproduct of weight force. The dropped lever completes a circuit. In step 7, the motor winds a string, which is a result of electrical energy, which pulls out a prop from a platform, dropping a weight. The string attached to the weight goes through the mountain and pulls the platform. This is all caused by the weight force acting on the weight. In step 9, the platform shifts to release the weight resting upon it to transfer its gravitational energy in the form of a spinning weight on a string. In step 10, some of the momentum of the swinging weight is transferred to the block, which then uses its own gravitational potential energy to bring the sharp nail down upon the balloon.